Okay, I have received the package and it looks big relatively, so let's go and see what is inside. Okay, let's see what we have here. Astronomy, a card, some airbags to protect the item. Helios Myriad MWA 5mm 110 degrees eyepiece. So Helios is the same as the Skywatcher and OVL, which is the UK branch of that. So let's see what is we have here. Let's see. Okay, this is a nice package. Looks quite large and probably 1 kilograms. Let's see if it can be opened, or should I use my hands to open it? Good friction, so it will not open accidentally. Okay, I'm now opening it. Nice packaging by Luxury. Okay, that's a 1¼ inch cap, a cleaning cloth, and nice padding for the actual item, which is here. Ooh, quite large. Okay. Now, what we have here. Ooh, it's a Whopper eyepiece from Myriad MWA, which is mega wide angle, 5mm 110 degrees actual focal field of view, fully multi-coated FMC, quite large. Let's see what. Okay, let me first weight this eyepiece. This is the digital scale, so I'm going to change it to grams. That's gram. Make it 0. Now the eyepiece goes on it. The weight of the eyepiece is 688 grams. So not as heavy as I thought. Almost in the range of the weight of the Lund or APM 100 degree eyepieces. Oh, I love this eye cup. Look at it. I prefer this eye cup. You can rest your eye on it, and it goes up and down, so you can adjust it. Okay. Nice. Let me just remove this other end cap. So there is an adapter which is here. You can put the 2-inch or remove this adapter at the bottom. Remove this 2-inch adapter and becomes 1¼ inch barrel size focuser eyepiece. You can put it in one of the 1¼ inch focuser. And let me look how it looks in the field of view, quite large, suddenly opens. So quite nice. I like that. So all in all, it looks like a nice capable eyepiece. How many reflections I see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 reflections I see. So at least 7 elements inside the eyepiece housing. Oh, I love this eye guard of that. I have it in the Panaview. Really comfortable. Some people say they don't like it because it's too big. I feel that this is actually the one I want. The Skywatcher Myriad 5mm 110 degrees eyepiece. Let's see how it looks with the view. That was the view through the Myriad MWA. It can be OVL or Skywatcher brand or Tecnosky. 5mm 110 degrees. The telescope is of course my trusty and wonderful apochromatic telescope EDAT Pro Series f6.5. It's a lovely telescope. It's quite nice for a 110 degree eyepiece. Really good. I'm really pleased with this.